everyone! So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily remove text from your videos just by using CapCut on your mobile phones. So let's head over to CapCut app, and from here, just click on New Project, then select the video that you want to edit, then click on Add. So as you can see, this video contains watermark from TikTok, and our goal is to remove that watermark. So first, let's head over to Edit. Scroll to the left until you find Remove BG. Then click on Custom Removal. Then select Brush. Let's try adjusting the brush size so we can easily select the areas that we want to be left behind and just brush through the video and just leaving out the watermark area. So now CapCut is processing our customized cutout, and as you can see, the stroke feature is now available. Just click on it, slide to the left for a little bit, then choose this stroke. Adjust the size to the maximum size, then click on the eyedropper tool, then drag to the closest color. Then once done, just press on this down button, click on check. So as you can see, there's still a bit of color black and some of white left out. We can easily resolve that just by going to text, then scroll to the left for a little bit until you can find the draw option. Let's just use the free brush tool. Then by using the eyedropper tool, drag over to the closest color, then brush over. If you can still see a bit of black colors from the watermark, you can just redo the process. Let's adjust it at the same length with the video. And that's it. So as you can see, we have now successfully removed the text from our video. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily remove a text from your video just by using CapCut. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you again on the next one. Bye!